How to use free pickup filters on Nordstrom search results. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are showing you how to use that so that you can shop items available for store pickup instead of just shipping. So go to nordstrom.com for that and enter what you want to shop for. For example, women's sneakers or anything more. And you can just go over and search for it. So let's go over and look out for women's spring essential, for example. And once you search for a specific topic or a category page, we can directly find a filter option on our screen that we can tap on. So go ahead and tap on filter. And once we tap on filter here, we can find different options. Now in this filter level section, we can look out for free pickup or something like that option. So go ahead and look out for that option, free pickup or something similar, and you can just go and select that option. For example, let's say this. After that, you can tap on view results if that option is available, and it should show you the result accordingly. And this filters that you see only products that can be brought online and picked up at a nearby store. To make the filter work correctly, you can even enter up your zip code and postal code and choose your preferred store. And you can set up those and the results update to show items that are in stock at the selected store and eligible for pickup. And that's it. So for now, you can just head over and follow out this method and you can refine your search results and look out for uh, free pickup filters. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.